guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn a simple yet effective way to hide the error message that appears on your WordPress login page. Because if someone is attempting to access your site by trials and fails, the error message may give away and a tip on what is wrong and what is right. So hide this message like error, invalid username or invalid email can potentially make your site more secure, and it's really simple to do this. So take a minute to make your site safer with us. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over plugins. Normally is between appearance and users, and click into the submenu add new plugin. Into the upper right corner, next to search plugins, there is an empty field. Click and type WP Code Lite, just like this. After, click on Install Now into this plugin, WP Code. Insert headers, footers, custom code snippets, WordPress Code Manager. To the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. But review the left sidebar of menus once again, scroll down, and next to settings you're gonna be able to find a new menu hidden called Code Snippets. Hover a mouse over it and click into the submenu plus Add Snippet. Then we're gonna review this middle sidebar right here where you can search, you can see all snippets and go to login, okay? And once on login, scroll down and you're gonna be able to find hide login errors in WordPress. Improve safety by hiding the specific login error information. It's a very useful thing. To use this snippet, you need to create an account on WP Code, so you're gonna be able to see a button connect to library. Click and pop-up gonna appears on your browser. You're gonna need to enter with email, username, set a password, and you go back right here and you're gonna be able to see these two options. Preview, here is the code, and use snippet. Click on use snippet. They're gonna add the PHP snippet on your site. Simple, right? Then all you have to do is review the upper right corner of your screen next to the update button and change the switcher from inactive to active. Hit the update button and you're gonna be good to go. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!